Keto bars are booming. All keto snacks are doing very well in the market right now. In this case study, I want to show you how LuPro Lupin Bean Flakes can replace oats and other ingredients to make bars more nutritious and even keto. I did 2 experiments. The first one was to replace 50% of the thick cut rolled oats with LuPro Lupin Bean Flakes. The second experiment was to make this formula keto. The nutrition results were excellent. The test number 1 provided 2 times the protein and fiber compared to the oats only recipe. And for the keto, it actually increased protein by 2.6 times and the fiber went up 6 times. The keto net carb proportion was only 5 grams. The functionality was excellent. The texture is very al dente because the thick cut rolled oats and the LuPro Lupin Bean Flake texture is very similar. The flavor is nice and adds some nice umami back notes. The color, as you can see, is more golden than with oats alone, but has great flavor and a very nice texture. For the keto recipe, you can see the color is even more golden than with the previous experiment, and the al dente texture is equally very nice. Very good flavor and great functionality. I have more ideas on other experiments to do, so if you like this, please like it below and leave a comment. Thank you.